kingside and threaten to march to h3, but it gives black's king a little more room. Bishop to d4, bishop to h6. He does not want to trade bishops. Bishop to e3, now a5. He could also play h4 first, like h4, h3, and then a5. I suppose he's waiting just because white might have some back rank issues. Rook b8, and now he plays kind of a funny move, king h7. The point of this is now, if it really gains a tempo, if rook takes f8, then b1 is hanging. Can't do that. So white has to waste a tempo before he trades rooks h3. Rook takes b8, rook takes b8, and now bishop back to g7. Bishop d4, and now he trades. Bishop takes d4, because with only one rook left, it's going to be very hard to stop the a-pawn. cd, a4, king h2, a3, rook b4, a2, rook a4, queen b1, and now Nisipeanu resigned. The only way to stop him from queening is queen c3, but then queen f1 threatens mate, and if queen b2, black could either play h4 or even just take on f4 right away with the mop-up operation. There's also this possibility in the air playing like bishop takes g2, and if queen takes g2, a1 queen. But first he can just take on f4 with check, or play h4 first even. Maybe stronger, because white really does not have any moves. So this was a real crush, beating a player rated almost 2700 with black in 37 moves, and really the game was over after the exchange sack. So very good advertisement for the Dragon, and a nice display of power chess from Magnus Carlsen, and I am sure we will see a lot more games from him in the future at chesslecture.com. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.